On this video, I'm going to show you how to get high-ticket janitorial and commercial cleaning contracts. And if you stick to the end, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get these contracts for your cleaning business, step by step. So what is the difference between small and high ticket contracts? So small contracts are contracts that pay anywhere between $300 to $1,500 every single month. And high ticket contracts are contracts that pay anywhere between $1,500 to $20,000 every single month. And for your cleaning business, whenever you guys run paid ads, LinkedIn, Google, Facebook, Yelp, direct mail marketing, email marketing, cold calling, you're gonna get all types of leads. When you guys are targeting car dealerships, accountants, logistic companies, clinics, the size of these buildings could be a small clinic or it could be a big office with multiple floors. So whenever we run paid ads, we're gonna get both types of cleaning contracts, medium, small, and big contracts. And the word for a high ticket contract is just a selling point. Contracts vary in size. So every cleaning business owner must go after all types of ongoing commercial cleaning contracts. Even if it's $1,000 a month cleaning contract, that's $12,000 every single year. And if you keep that for 5 years, that's a $60,000 in your pocket. And for new cleaning companies, especially beginners, I know that a big selling point is focusing on the big fish, which you should. But in the beginning, you're gonna chase for all kinds of cleaning contracts and actually chasing for the super big contracts, the buildings that have multiple floors. As a beginning cleaning company, you're better off focusing on the small and medium contracts and the big ones as well. But if you're only focusing on the high ticket clients, it's gonna take longer for you to get contracts and build your cash flow. Because I have clients that literally get walkthroughs within 2 weeks of starting. And if you guys focus on the big wheels, that might take 2-3 months to get. But as a complete beginner, you're gonna focus on getting all types of walkthroughs. I have clients getting walkthroughs within 2 weeks instead of you waiting around months to get a high ticket contract. And the other reason why you should get all types of contracts is because as a beginner, you're still building your credibility as a business. So it's gonna be slightly harder to get the big contracts because they do a lot of research in choosing which company they wanna go with. But now let's talk about my favorite part, and that is how to get these high ticket contracts. And there's gonna be multiple different ways. First, you're gonna begin with the Dream 500 list. So you're gonna go to Google Docs and you're gonna start creating a list of the best possible buildings in your city. You can ask ChatGPT to give you a name of companies that tend to have the highest square footage in your city. Like which companies own that skyscraper? Which insurance company has that big office with 6 different floors? Which are the grocery stores in my city? Who's in charge of cleaning the airport, the mall, the logistic companies, the car dealerships? And basically you wanna have a list of 500 to 1,000 companies in your city who have a big building. And if they have a big building, they require a lot of cleaning. And then from that list, you're gonna reach out to them using multiple methods at least once a month. And you're gonna do direct mail at least once a month. And I call this direct mail marketing. And then you're gonna cold call them at least once a month. You're gonna add the owners on LinkedIn and you're gonna message them. You're gonna script the emails of all decision makers in that company. And then you wanna run Google Ads only targeting that specific location. So using multiple methods, we are targeting the biggest 500 to 1,000 companies in your city. So whenever they need a cleaning provider, you will be the go-to option because you're building these long-term relationships. And the other way you can target these high-ticket clients is number one, getting a very high-quality leads list. So when you're using a lead scraper, you want to only scrape the companies that make $50 to $1 billion every single year. And when you're using one of these lead scrapers, you can filter out how many employees does this company have. If they have a lot of employees, it means that they have a big facility to clean. The other way we target high ticket clients is using direct LinkedIn ads. So we can run ads and send a direct message to companies that make 10 to 100 million that have at least 50 to 500 employees. And we're only gonna message the people who are presidents, general managers, office managers, co-founders. And by using the filters inside of LinkedIn ads, we can target very specific companies that have a very specific size. So by being very direct and strategic with the marketing, we can target bigger fish. As a complete beginner, you should get all types of contracts. 500 a month, 1,000 a month, 2,000 a month, 8,000 a month, 20,000 a month. And you should do everything in your power to get more clients. Obviously, focusing on the big fish will give the biggest revenue, but the big fish doesn't come that often. So that's why you need to focus on getting all types of cleaning. And when you actually start doing the business, you're gonna realize that whatever you do is through trial and error. If you do LinkedIn ads and it doesn't work, that is because you're not doing it properly. If you do walkthroughs but no one's calling you back, that is because you don't have any credibility, you don't have a sales process, and so much more in the business. Do not do everything yourself when I can help you do everything A to C. Just go to the description. I have a free business plan, and my best advice for you, just take the haircut, work with someone who's already done it, who can give you all the SOPs, all the systems, in-house a client acquisition system so you can get walkthroughs every single week. And this is not just a coaching program. Imagine partnering with someone without giving any equity, any revenue share to someone, and they can help you grow your business. And by doing that, you're gonna save 5 years and at least a few million in mistakes. And most of my clients are people who already have commercial cleaning contracts. So if they're very strategic business owners who paid me thousands of dollars to work with me, it's for a very specific reason. So guys, I want to wrap this up. I want to have a free community and a free course on the description, and also make sure to review my free business plan. It's going to be very valuable. So if you have a cleaning business, you have to review it. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Turn on notifications, like this video, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you. Bye.